Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by drawing a clear chord AB and marking its endpoints. Once you have AB, set your compass to a radius slightly greater than 1/2 of AB, then draw arcs from A and B that intersect twice. You then connect those two arc intersections to create the perpendicular bisector of AB. This bisector is your first construction line because it contains every point equidistant from A and B. Once done, move to a second, different chord to repeat the process. Next, pick a chord CD that is not parallel to AB and repeat the same arc method. Set the compass to a radius slightly larger than 1/2 of CD, draw arcs from C and D, and connect their intersections to form CD's perpendicular bisector. Then, follow the two bisectors toward their crossing point. Where the bisectors meet is the unique center of the circle, because that point is equidistant from A, B, C, and D. Make sure both bisectors actually cross inside the circle. Finally, mark the intersection O as the circle's center and draw a radius from O to any original point, for example OA. Measure or compare OA, OB, OC to confirm they are equal. This equality proves you found the center. If the bisectors don't meet cleanly, often because chords were nearly collinear or arcs misdrawn, choose different, well-separated chords or increase the compass radius so arc intersections are distinct. Then repeat the bisector steps and recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.